Hi, I'm Michael Church, part of the customer success team here at Floret. I'm here to address a common question that we get. Can I install my floors over existing floor surfaces? Our Modine luxury vinyl plank and our Sylvan resilient engineered hardwood collections can be installed over most existing floors. If you are installing our Modine luxury vinyl plank collection, it can be installed over a variety of hard surfaces, including tile, ceramic, marble, and terrazzo. Our Sylvan hardwood collection can be installed over a variety of hard surfaces, including LVT, SPC, VCT, and linoleum, provided that those floors are also glued down, affixed properly, and free of any imperfections. Check out the video description for a list of floors that are approved for installation of Modine, LVP, or Sylvan hardwood atop. For any installation, you'll need to make sure that the surface of the floors that exist are in good condition and free of any excess moisture. If the existing floor is warped, damaged, or displays signs of mold, this could indicate excessive moisture is building up from the subfloor. Installing our floors atop floors that exhibit these conditions could trap moisture in between the two surfaces, leading to further rot and mold and mildew. Installing the floors over carpet or heavily cushioned surfaces is not recommended. You should also not install the floors over tile that's been installed at below grade level concrete. When installing over ceramic tile, saltillo, or other segmented tile joints, you'll need to have the grout joints brought up to the level to the surface. This may require several coats of a self-leveling compound in order to get a flat, flush surface. The official recommendation for subfloor flatness is that at no point over 10-foot span can there be more than a 3/16 inch imperfection. This means if you lay a 10-foot level down on top of your floor, at no point would it be 3/16 of an inch away from the subfloor. That's all you need to know about installing our floors over an existing floor. If you have any questions, we're always here to help at Floret. Please reach out to us at floret.com. Remember to subscribe and turn on your alerts for more helpful hints like this. Thanks for watching.